And the coolest thing ever is these holes that you see here in the front fender. We're actually able to pull air down, run it down a duct, and actually shoot it out right next to your leg here on the side, where you can open that up, you can position the way you want the air, and as long as you're going, 15, 20 miles an hour or faster, it's blowing enough by there that it's gonna cool your legs down a
bit. So let's make our own air vents, just like the new RZRs. So we're gonna use these from Amazon, exactly like the RZRs, and we're gonna use a tin can. And it should make the hole the same size as the vents, so that's why I'm using it. And you can see here it actually matches up. Perfect. So we're gonna punch the hole here. It's a flat area. It seems like the air would flow through the suspension into this flat area. So I'm no engineer, but it seems like the best spot for airflow. So I'm gonna put the vent there. It's gonna come out through the other side right there. So I'm gonna heat up the can, and that's just to punch the hole. Now I'm just gonna push through right where I want the vent to be. And it's not too difficult. There's very thin plastic there. And you can see the plastic cookie on the floor, and the vent here has some tabs that it'll hold itself in when you push it in. So the hole was a little small. I did need to wiggle the can a little bit to the sides and it would have been larger. But I mean, it'll still push in right now. You'll see, very tight fit. So the vents do open and close, but I wasn't able to make it spin. So after I wiggle the can around a little bit, it should be fitting fine. You can see the other side. It doesn't look that obvious. Can't even tell that you have a little vent there. And I did wiggle the can a little bit just to make the hole bigger. And now you can see it spins, and you have the multi-directional airflow. So it's perfect. We're gonna do that to the other side. One more thing, if you are mudding or in the snow or winter, you want to cover that, then I'll show you how to do cover. Here's the other side, just finished it. I learned how to make the hole now because I wiggled the can just to make it a little tiny wider. So this is how we're gonna make the cover here. We're gonna use a cap of any spray can. Yeah, ghetto, but you can't tell. We're gonna put some duct tape around it as the sealant, and it actually fits perfectly in there. So if you pop it in, it'll just seal up the hole. Very snug. Alright, so let's take a look at it on the side by side. Just gonna push that in. And it should stay there without any issues, even if you're riding. I don't think there'll be any leakage from there. Maybe leakage there, maybe. And if you're OCD, I guess you could put silicone or something. Looks fine. So now I'm gonna try these cones. They're sports cones. I found them at Ross. They're like $5 for 10 of them. I'm gonna make a hole and I'm gonna fit them in there. Now I can have some ram air effect and see if that makes any difference. So we're gonna try the fan first without these. And you can see they're Nike approved. So now you're gonna have Nike stuff on your side by side. So I know the video said 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. I don't think my fan blows that hard, but let's see what it does without the cones first. You can see those little paper finger cutouts there, barely uninspired wiggling. I mean, I'm sure if the side-by-side was running, it'd probably be a little bit faster. So let's try it now with the cone in place. And let's see if there's any more wiggling action there. A little bit more inspired there. They're wiggling around and it looks much better. So I can imagine when it's running, you'll actually feel the airflow quite a bit. And you can actually feel it with your hand just like this. So we're keeping the cones, so let's paint them black with some bed liner spray paint. Just so it'll pop out with the blue. And let's close the vent, and you can see it actually does keep out the air, so they do work pretty well just closing them. And now we're gonna hot glue the cone to the edge just so it can get the most amount of air pushed in. So now we're gonna do a 20 mile an hour roll just to see how strong the winds are. You can see the wiggling of the paper is way more substantial, so we are getting a lot of wind. You're getting that circulated air, especially from that wheel well where it gets very hot. So that's pretty much it. A great mod if you want to keep your dummies in the back seat cool, or just yourself, or circulate that air. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these nifty little hacks.